Today we're going to look at colours and which one is your favourite. At the end of the video we're going to mention something weird about the words favourite and colour. Stay tuned. This is British English with me, Frank. Let's start with three basic colours. Do you know what they are? Red, yellow and blue. Which is your favourite colour? Well, red, you can see here it's spelled R-E-D. It's good to practice your spelling. Yellow is Y-E-L-L-O-W and blue is B-L-U-E. So red and yellow is orange. Red and blue is purple, and yellow and blue is green. So three more colours: orange, purple and green. We also have white and black. White and black is grey. White and red is pink. Red, blue and yellow is brown. We can also say, while we're talking about colours, that a colour is light or dark to vary the shade. So for example, light blue, dark red, light brown, dark green, and so on. So what is your favourite colour? My favourite colour is blue. What is your favourite colour? How do we ask that question to different people? For example, what is my favourite colour? What is your favourite colour? What is his favourite colour? Or what is her favourite colour? What is our favourite colour? What is their favourite colour? And what is your favourite colour? Your plural. They are called possessive pronouns, but we'll make a video on that later on. So let's practice. What is your favourite colour? The answer: my favourite colour is brown. What is her favourite colour? Her favourite colour is light blue. His favourite colour is red. What is our favourite colour? Our favourite colour is purple. So practice, practice, practice. Ask a friend, what is your favourite colour? Then your friend can tell you what their favourite colour is. What was the weird thing we mentioned at the beginning about favourite and colour? In some countries, America, they spell colour C-O-L-O-R. But in British English we spell colour C-O-L-O-U-R. And the same for favourite. Or in American English they spell favourite F-A-V-O-R-I-T-E. But in British English we spell favourite F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. So don't forget, we're learning British English on this channel. There are many other words that have that different spelling, although they have the same pronunciation, but I'll be doing a video on that in the future. So what is your favourite colour? Is it blue, purple, white, black, yellow, light brown, dark green, or something else? Leave me a comment and tell me what your favourite colour is. If you want to ask someone, do you like blue, or does he like red? Watch this video to learn how to use that. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? Well, please do, and hit the bell to keep up with the latest videos that are being released. Until next time, see you soon.